Welcome to Las Vegas Morning Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today, lesson 3 of Drunken Kung Fu style. Let's start some warm up. So cross your fingers like this and step back to start the warm up and make circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Other side. So same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Arm circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Cross your finger fist this way. Try stretching your back. 1, 2, far you can. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Nice work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go far you can. This is better for your tree. Let's start some basics with your hand technique for Drunken Kung Fu. So the first, make your both hand become a cup. That's like a Drunken Kung Fu, the hand work, right? So let's go the double cups. So in Drunken Kung Fu style, so you have the double cup, make a circle and attack either side. So you go left and right and go attack this way and right and left. Come back in and attack this way. So 1, 2, come back and 3, and this way. 1, 2, 3, and go other side. 1, 2, 3, and other side. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So now we're going to do the single cup. So a lot of time also we go right and left and boom to open. So double hand open like this, right? So like practice. Right hand hold your cup, left hand hold your cup. So circle your right and you stop your left and right and cross your hand, step back and let your balance look like and you attack with this. So go right and left. 1, 2, and 3 with your power. Perfect. So you go more drunken. So that's great. Okay, let's do again. So you go 1, 2, 3, drunk, boom, and come back your right hand, single hand. So right hand circle, go all the way flat. So get cup, get some drink, and come back to under your chin. Start drinking, and repeat. Right, left, and drunk, and go attack, and go big circle, and come back and drink again. And right, and left, and go attack, and you go quick. Get your drink, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how to make it perfect for your drunken style walk? So for drunken style walk, actually you are open your hip first. Your hip start first, and then you're to leading your knee and your ankle. So let's see this. So the movement, so you have to pretend that you're really drunk. So when you're drunk, people walking, right? They actually walk with with their hip. So the hip is first thing you got to work. To say, open your hip and to make boom. And your body actually just smooth a circle around. Go 1, 2. You're really drunk. And this is the power. After this, and go quick. And you gotta drink slow. 1, 2, and 3. So that's how it's walk. So for drunken style, the hand technique, we use a single cup and attack this way. Where you go double cup, attack this way. So it's very interesting. Use those hand technique. But also we use the big bowl to drink a lot of drinks. So the bowl, not even like this small, really big. I gotta find a big bowl. Right. So something like this. So in drunken style, also we have. You say you use both hands to holding the big balls, and you go down, and you start to drinking like until you're really drunk, and you try and get up and you do your style, right? That is great. So let's just work on the drunken style with the big ball technique. Drunken Kung Fu style with the big ball technique. So you saw Jackie Chan's movie, and this is the person inside. You use both arms, circle around the person just right middle, move. And this can be really attacked by lock, or so you get the big circle, right? And then you can use your shoulder, so you can really push the person away. So those techniques is really good. And with your drunken steps, like this. And also, once you got your big ball, you start drinking, and you bend your back like really low, like a little stretching part that keep you balance and go 1, 2, 3, boom, and you go down. This is also the 低躺拳 technique. So this is combined with the drunken style, right? This is great. So let's go to the next technique. So let's work on some kicks, which is drunken kung fu style. So the first one, so let's combine with the same move. So 1, 2, 3, and boom, attack. And after you both hand cross, and you go boom, quick go back, and you guys lean back. You transfer your weight quick to forward to attack with your wask, the spinning kick. And after boom, with your double hand to attack the stomach. It's a great technique. Just see this again. So you go boom, circle, 1 and 2, 3, and boom, attack. And cross, you go ooh, quick. Then one, boom, pass you, kick you, go boom, go back and come back. Da, da. How to your feet work. So attack you, so you got to lean back, you quick come back. You quick come back, you can boom, attack back by your hand, or you attack boom by your elbow, or you just you hit by your body. That is all work. So, but we work on with the kick. So with your kick, you say you quick boom, switch this angle, and you got a quick bam, make a fast, strong kick to the head, and you win the game. Of course, for a drunken kung fu style, you can without the floor move. The next move is the front row on the floor and attack by kicks. So what's this? So let's say the front row. Once you roll up, you go back. So Suru's 2 kicks. Let's talk about how Suru does 2 kicks. So you do front row after quick. So your both feet is one line like this. So you got to jump straight. That's his first move. And then you gotta go first kick is snap kick. You bend your knee and kick like this to point. Snap kick, jump straight, and you go boom, kick left. So how to do 2 kicks in the air? So the second kick, you gotta kick and quick go down. How fast you kick, how fast you go down, and you can prepare the second kick. It's very important. So you got this say. So 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, right? So say left, quick go down and kick your right. So that's you can show the 2 kicks in a row. Front snap kick with your drunken kung fu style. Drunken kung fu step by step tutorial. Follow me now. So the last move from the last lesson, you go right here. So landing your left and both hands on the floor. Make sure your both feet are flat this line, and you go head down. You make that front row. We already been learning to take off. You go kicking, and bounce. And as soon as you get this done, you both hands back to your waist, and you go boom. So attack both hands do this way, and your knee down, and this angle will be 90 degrees like this, with your power, down, like that. So perfect. So after this, you stand up. So as we learning as well, you make a big circle. So you go step left and right there, and go crashing, and you go boom, attack. Your body lean back and power out left and right and both sides like this way. So as soon as you both hand attack after, you both hand come back. Cross your body in and you go out. Okay, say the steps. You go kind of jump back. Your left and right back. And you quick lean your shoulder first, go this way, and you make sure you step and you go boom, kick. After you go quick knee down with your both hand. So right hand attack front and left hand and go back. Right this way. With the floor move, you both hand come back to make a big ball. Like a big ball technique. So you go holding the big ball as big circles that left and right, and you find your balance right center, and you really go really low and start to drinking, and go low you can. As soon as you're almost there, boom, you fall. Both hands hit the ball, very important. So you're taking the same time. So you're right there, right? So as soon as you land, you go turn to your left side. And you go right leg up and switching left leg also go up and landing your left in front. You both hand on the floor, you push and go this way. As soon as you get up, you're switching your both leg and cross your both hand and you go attack actually same time like a quan, the same direction, and you go knee lift attack this way. Alright, so the quick note for lesson 3, Drunken Kung Fu style. For Drunken Kung Fu style, you know where the person look like a drunk. Actually, we're not drunk, we pretend. But the intention are real drunk. Once you got a change, you go, that's also explosive power. Boom! And both sides. Powerful. So you're waiting the chance. You're drunk, you look your weak, you look soft, but actually not. Because you're waiting the chance. Once you get a chance, you attack back with your full power and knock them out. That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you in next video and bye bye.